Indian External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar has made clear that Operation Sindoor, mounted by India against Pakistan, was to precisely target terrorists and their camps, and India retaliated when Pakistan resorted to using weapons on civilian, military, and religious targets. While India keeps military preparedness in place and probably will for a while, it would not engage Pakistan militarily. Dr. Jaishankar has clarified that cessation of hostilities on 10 May 2025 between India and Pakistan was due to direct bilateral arrangement and not influenced by international mediation, particularly from the United States. In an interview with Netherlands Numbers, the Indian minister highlighted India's long-standing concerns over Pakistan's use of terrorism as a state policy and stressed that India has every right to respond decisively to such threats. India's Operation Sindoor targeted 9 terror-related sites in Pakistan and Pakistan-occupied Kashmir, POK, in which over 100 terrorists from Jaish-e-Mohammed, Lashkar-e-Taiba, and Hizbul Mujahideen and other groups were killed. Jaishankar said Operation Sindoor is dormant but strategically poised to continue to ensure India's clear message. Any repeat of the terror killings of Hindus in Pahalgam on 22 April will again result in hitting terrorists in Pakistan. The Indian minister underlined that the ceasefire agreement was initiated by the Pakistani military on 10 May through hotline communication. Countries, including the United States, expressed concern and made calls to both sides. But the ceasefire was negotiated exclusively between New Delhi and Islamabad. India made it very clear to everybody who spoke to India, including the United States, that if Pakistanis want to stop fighting, they need to tell India. That's how Pakistan's general called up his Indian counterpart for the ceasefire. Now, Jaishankar says India and Pakistan are and will deal with issues bilaterally. Jaishankar also stated categorically that India's position on Kashmir is non-negotiable, that it's an integral part of India.